I've always heard about this tool called Switchy.io, and because affiliate marketing is one of my income streams in my business, I decided to make the investment this year and start using Switchy. So, what does Switchy do? Switchy takes those long affiliate links that you get and they cloak them so they are more customized. And the truth is, it's a lot easier to share your Switchy link to your audience than trying to stumble and search for the actual link that you got from the company. So, what do I mean by this? Let me share an example. So I am on my Switchy dashboard and I want to create a Switchy link for Chatra. So in Chatra, I have a very long URL for my affiliate link. So I'm going to copy that link and I'm coming here into Switchy. I'm clicking create a new link and I'm going to paste in the Chatra link. So you see the length of the Chatra link. And what Switchy is doing is it's going to update the information. So sometimes what will happen is an image will appear here that you can see right away that it's for that specific product. If you don't see an image, you can click on this and then you can upload an image if you have one already. You can go to the website for this specific product or platform and get a screenshot. So I'm going to use that idea of get a screenshot. So I will open Chatra and just to confirm the URL for Chatra. So I'm copying the URL inside of my Switchy account, pasting it in here, and then I'm going to say take a screenshot. So you see right away, Switchy created a screenshot of the home page of Chatra, which I can then use on my to go with my link. And I do have the option of cropping it. If I want to remove this little green bar at the bottom, I can crop it. And then I can click done. And it now fills in the space that was showing the Switchy default. Right, so I can also decide, do I want to keep this information or do I just want to say the title is the name of the product or platform that I'm promoting. And I am fine with the description, so I'm not going to change anything there. Now, I created a custom domain so that it's easy for me to share links. And here I will put Chatra to customize this. Once I get this tick, it means that it has been saved. And then I can click get my new link, which you see is generated here with my custom domain /Chatra. And then I can copy this and share it wherever I choose.